Good morning, children. Welcome to K.R. Lakkam Memorial CBSE School, Mudod. Yesterday we were discussed about the properties of whole numbers. Today let's solve the exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. First question. Which of the following will not represent 0? A. 1 plus 0. B. 0 into 0. C. 0 by 2. D. 10 minus 10 divided by 2. Let's see this. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 by 2 is also 0. 10 minus 10 is 0, 0 by 2 is also 0. And their question is, which of the following will not represent 0? So this option has not represent 0, it has shown 1. So the answer is A. Next, second one, if the product of two whole number is 0, if the product of think that A and B are whole number, the product is 0, can we say that one of both of them will be 0? Justify through an example. So if the product is 0, among A and B, any one will be 0 or both will be 0, they are asking. Any one if it is 0 also, if I take B is equal to 0, so A into 0, any number into 0, answer is 0 only. If suppose both are 0, answer 0, 0 is a 0. So it is yes. Because if the product of two whole number is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Justify through example. So if the product is 0, then the numbers are whole numbers. Either both may be 0 or any one also may 0. So the statement is correct. So that is yes. Third one, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, if the product of two numbers is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? So yes, both should be 1 because 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Suppose if we take any one as a 1, another one is 3, we'll take B as a 1. So answer will change, product will change. 3 ones are 3. Suppose if I take A as a 1, B as 5, so product will change. So product is 1 only means A and B, both the numbers, both the whole numbers should be 1. Then only we will get the product 1. Next, fourth, find using distributive property. Fourth, A 728 into 101. So what is distributive property? The numbers distributing. 0 plus 1. 100 can be written as 100 plus 1. So multiply both. This 128 can be multiplied to 100 also and to 1 also. So 728 into 100 plus again 728 into 1. So this is very easy. 728 ones are 728 and these two zeros. 728 ones are 728. Now add this 0, 8, 8, 0, 2, 2, 8 plus 7, 14, 15, 3, 7. So 73,528 is the answer. Next, go for B. 5,437 into 1001. So apply into 1000 plus 5437 into 1. So this multiply 3 zeros plus 5437 ones are same. Now add both. 0 plus 7, 7, 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus 4, 4, 7 plus 5, 12, 3 plus 1, 4, this is 4 and 5. 54 lakh 42,437 is the answer. Next. Next, plus 824 5s are 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 5 8s are 40 plus 1 41. So 4 1 2 0. 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 8 10, 1 2 and this is 4 6. Then 4 plus 6, 10, 1 and 1, 2. 20,600 is the answer. Next, last one. D. DER still. D 4,275 into 125. This can be written as 100 plus 25. Same distributive property. So multiply this. 4,275 ones are, after that 2 zeros. So this we should multiply into 25. So if you know 25 tables, you can multiply directly. 5 5s are 10, 5 7s are 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 13, 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. Next, 2 5s are 10, 7 2s are 14 and 15, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 4 2s are 8. So multiplication is 1,68,6,875. So if you add these two, you will get the answer. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 7, 7. 5 plus 8, 13. 6 plus 1, 7. And then 7, 14. Again 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. And this is 4. This is the answer. Next, E. So 504 into 35 can be written as 30 plus 5. Okay. Or else make the multiplication easy. So you can write it like 10 plus 25. Let's see what will happen. Okay. So 4 into 10 plus into 25. So this will become, so 525. Multiplication you will do, 5 fours are 5 zeros are 0, 2 5 5s are 25, 2 fours are 8, 2 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10. 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 0 2, and this is 1. 1 12 600. 12,600 is the answer. Next you add both. 0 plus 0 0, 4 plus 0 4, 0 plus 6 6, 5 plus 2 7, and this is 1. 17,640. Okay, like this you have to use distributive property. Next, study the pattern. Fifth one. 1 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 2 into 8 plus 2 is equal to 8 twos are 16, 17, 18. So what will be the answer? 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 2. How much? This is 12. 9, 8. 1, here 1, 2 we have added. Here 1 and 2 we have taken. Now 1, 2, 3 into 8 plus 2 after 3. Yes? Just see once again, I will show you here 1. Now I will take 12. 1 after 2. Then 8 plus 1 after 2. What will be the answer? 9 and 8. Decreasing order. Next 1, 2, 3 I will take into 8 plus 2 after 3 I will take. So the answer will be 9, 8, 7. Again next pattern 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 9, 8, 7. Next what will come? 9, 8, 7 after 6 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 8 plus 4 after 5. So what will be the answer? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 8 plus 6 is equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 8 plus 7, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So this is the pattern of multiplication. Okay? Like this in our daily life we will use the patterns in whole numbers. Okay? Next, write the next 2 steps. I have written next 2 steps. So what have we discussed? In this lesson, whatever things we have learnt, they have listed out. The numbers 1, 2, 3 which we use for counting are known as natural numbers. Second one, if you add 1 to natural number, we get its successor. If you subtract 1 from a natural number, you get its predecessor. Every natural number has a successor. Every natural number except 1 has a predecessor. See, every natural number has a successor. Every natural number except 1 has a predecessor. If we add the number 0 to the collection of natural number, we get the collection of whole numbers. Thus, the number 0, 1, 2, 3 from the collection of whole numbers. Every whole number has a successor. Every whole number except 0 has a predecessor. All natural numbers numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers. We take a line, mark a point on it and label it 0. Okay, label it 0. We then mark out points to the right of 0 at equal intervals, label them as 1, 2, 3. Thus we have a number line with the whole numbers represented on it. We can easily perform the number operation of addition, subtraction and multiplication on the number line. Next, addition corresponds to moving to the right on the number line, whereas subtraction corresponds to moving to the left. Multiplication corresponds to making jumps of equal distance starting from 0. Adding two whole numbers always gives a whole number. Similarly, multiplying two whole numbers always gives a whole number. We say that whole numbers are closed under addition and also under multiplication. However, whole numbers are not closed under subtraction and division.